Hello everyone. Today we're gonna show you another very interesting topic. Yeah, it's the based on the name, it is called the React multi-step form. So it's been widely used by many company, and also internet has a lot of people who's chat about that. But today I want to show you is a little bit my version of that. I think this is very useful and very productive. Okay. All right, let's jump right on. So in the very beginning, I'm going to introduce the program, what it looks like. This is little application will focus on, the print shipping label. So really just from the send address, fill up, continue. You get the receiver address. And then also, if you continue back to it, and then we get the weight, right? How much weight it will be, and then it will be your shipping options, right? Ground or priority. So this ties into a little bit different of the the logic behind it. So and then move forward will be the review, right? What does it look like? This look at the shipping cost based on the the shipping options will be different. If you click on that, you see the different, right? And you see it's allow you to go back to the previous step, and then the information will be still saved until you're hitting completely done. So information will keep loop inside of the state. Okay, next let me show you how that I made it. Actually, very before doing that, I always take a look at the package.json file. So literally, I don't have anything extra library installed except the material UI and a React step progress bar, which is that bar. I don't have anything else. Everything's from natural, React. And then, all right, always start with index.js, so app.js, right? So app.js is the will be introduced as soon as the program launch. So this will be the wither.js. This will be our main file, very main file right here. Everything will be wrapped into here. So from top to bottom, this will be all the child component will be inject each steps. You can take a look at standard receiver with shipping, right? And from the class beginning, I will initialize the state. So this is slightly different than the others. So I put it step 1 as a very initial state, and I put the wrapper with a form, and then 2 instead of that, and I do another objects, right? Object inside another objects. This is some way that I think is I keep that way is a little bit for me is that way to do the job, to do the tricks, but this is a little bit harder to achieve that. So what I will show you a little and this is the next step, the component in a function. So they will just the step +1. If the previous is a step, or really just a step, current step is the -1. So I have the handle change. Handle change will be triggered by each state. Say if it's case 1, if it's get sender, so right, and then you hit that, it will get a handle change. So the first we'll do is okay, if it's case from means it's spread in entire state first, and then from. So that what I do, spreading the entire state of the from object, and then we'll change the key value. So here the little bit automation, right? So dynamic way. So input and the target, the value is the value, which is when you do the keying stuff, when you do the keying right here. Okay, 2 is exactly the same thing. Case 2 and case cost, as I mentioned before. This is if it's cost, here is a spread it in. Not only spread it in first, and also you needed to shipping calculate whatever the weight and then the weight information you get. So we'll do little calculations right here, and then returning with the value. So default will be just set state. All right, and I think maybe I can quickly jump into the sender, right? And that's child component. This is so sender will be right here, and this will be the material UI, and also dialog is also from material UI as well. That's why you see a little bit the angle, radius, a little bit a nice layout. Yeah, this is all about today is a topic